Hey, it's Tim. It's about 9:20 and 10 minutes before the U.S. opens on a very challenged technical S&P. 1287 is major resistance. I think what we've seen over the last couple of days between some real allocation that's been going on in the commodity space, and we've seen this via flows that have been coming into some of the EM names, a lot of crossover buying. Asia had another interesting night. India was extremely weak, and we've been watching India's weakness as a sign to see where higher rates and higher inflation are really, the death knell for emerging markets here at a time when developed actually is giving them all the normal ammunition they might want to see. Rising 5-year rates, good for emerging markets if U.S. Treasuries are moving higher, et cetera. It shows global growth. China was somewhat flat and trades pretty well, but as we look into the rest of the Central and Eastern European space, with the exception of Turkey, you're actually seeing a bit of a pullback. Russia had been a real outperformer over the last couple of days. Not a huge surprise to see things pulling back. The things I would continue to stress with commodity prices here pushing to certainly in many cases even past pre-crisis levels, i.e. copper, some of the other parts of the industrial metal space, I do think that higher prices are the best cure for higher prices. And although you don't buy commodities when you're cheap, you buy them when they're expensive. I think you're in a place here where people have overdone the coal rally. People have not adjusted the impact on steel companies. Again, steel prices can't support the type of demand that is required from coke and coal prices that may hit almost $300 a ton by the second quarter, third quarter negotiations if we continue at this rate. So with a lot of headlines on Australian floods, I actually hear that they're receding, even though Rio Tinto's on the tape today claiming force majeure, meaning they can break all contracts they had at much lower prices and start cranking it up. I don't think this is the place you want to jump in and buy those names. There you go.